This is Sanjay Almelkar. I am the Regional Sales Manager of Southern Region for Fosroc Chemicals India Private Limited. We are one of the leading construction chemical manufacturers and the most trusted brand in the Indian market. Fosroc Chemicals is spread across 100 countries distributing materials, and we have 20 plus locations of manufacturing across the countries. In India, we have 4 plants. Today we all gathered here for the launch of tiling solutions for the Goan market. Tile adhesive has been extensively used in India for almost 2 decades now. But looking into the necessity today, the fast track construction and the problems of sand, which is a bigger concern for the practices of good construction, we have introduced from Fosroc a wide range of tiling solutions which is aptly required for the Indian market. Most of the manufacturers bring product from the European market and try to sell it, but since Fosroc being 35 years in this market, we have developed this product required to the Indian requirements and the climatic condition. Fosroc tiling solutions offers 3 product lines basically. One is tile adhesives, then the joint fillers, which are cementitious and epoxy joint fillers, then we have tile cleaners. In tile adhesives, we have again 3 variants, very simply classified based on the need of the market. First product being Nito Tile GPX, it's a general purpose tile adhesives which is used for your wet area, submerged area and exterior applications for ceramic as well as vitrified. This particular product has a uniqueness or a differentiator being qualified to type 1 and type 2 of the IS standards, wherein most of the competitor product either qualify for type 1 or type 2. Today adhesives are extensively used. It might be ceramic tile on tile application or external cladding of stones, tiles or granites or marbles, or also fixing of large format tiles also. The next product is the Nito Tile MPA, which is a multi-purpose adhesive primarily used for tile on tile application and large format tile applications. The third one is the granite adhesive, which is used for granite and marble fixing. In tile grouts, we have Nito Tile grouts, which is a joint filler, cementitious non-shrink material, and epoxy joint filler, which is a Nito Tile EPW grout. See, why the grouts have been used is basically to enhance the architectural feel. To the space created is filled with this material. In India, epoxy joint fillers are slowly taking over cementitious joint filler because of the reason we have been still using a crude oil to do the cleaning of the toilets, bathrooms and other areas, which the arisal of need for epoxy joint filler came into market, and we have introduced a wide range of products which has around almost 30 plus colors introduced to enhance the aesthetics of the market. Particularly Goa, which is using lot of tilings, plays lot of with the tiles in terms of architectural. The demand for this particular adhesive in this market is very high. Keeping this in mind, we have introduced tile adhesives. The last item of the tiling solution will be the tile cleaner. We want to move market from basic crude acids to be used as a cleaner. Then we have introduced tile cleaners, which is very effective, cost effective, and it is also not harmful to the environment. Fosroc, the most trusted brand in construction chemical, has a wide range of waterproofing products to suit the needs of the Indian market. We in Goa, we are today talking about 4-5 important products. One will be the product which we'll be talking about for your wet areas like toilets. We'll be talking about your toilets, your swimming pools, your terrace gardens, your large roofs and podiums, where we have introduced a very new technology for this particular market, which is called Nito Proof 600, which is a polyurethane based product, which is highly flexible. It is crack bridging properties. Apart from that, we also are going to introduce a product called NitoCoat CM210. It's a high build polymeric and portable drinking water certified product. Then we have for exterior application, for you have been using paints for last 100 years, but paints have been only decorative. Today, looking at the market and the algae growth, cracks bridging, we have introduced a special protective coating which is also waterproofing in nature. It is called as Nitocoat Wall Guard. It is crack bridging ability, it's a waterproof properties, and it also comes with lot of colors, and it beautifies the buildings and protects it simultaneously. Apart from that, you also find common problems like cracks appearing in the buildings, and spalling of happening, concrete falling from the thing, corrosion happening into the thing. For this, Fosroc has a wide range of products. For crack fillers, we have something called Decofill or Rendrox CS. We have for your corrosion, we have something called Ribaclean RR, which is a rust remover, as well as a Nito Zinc primer, which will protect the further corrosion of the material. There are various repair products in Fosroc range in the name of Rendrock series, which can be used. For example, your Mandoi bridge itself was protected with a product called a Deck Guard almost 10 years back, and probably in the new bridge which is coming up, we will be likely to take up the same material to be applied for protection. Thank you. See, one common problem commoner faces is that when you construct one slab and you want to extend the second slab, what do I do? If he pours the directly concrete, it leads to cold joints and leakages and seepages, and it's a worry for him. Also, even a concrete which is poured for one day and left it there for, and if you put a concrete after 2 days, there's again a problem of cold joint. To overcome this problem, there are basic technologies available which is based out of epoxy material. We use call it as epoxy bonding agent. You wire brushes, clean it and apply this epoxy bonding agent and pour this fresh concrete into it, makes it 100% watertight and holds the concrete. See, what is happening today is that people they are facing these problems for years together or ages together, but they never ventured out to understand there is a solution which is foolproof and 100% resolvable. That is where Fosroc is trying to come forward and educate. We are starting education with the architects, and then we go to the engineers. We recently did a program with the MES people for their body. For the commoner, we are trying to reach contractors, engineers and architects and educate these people. With this platform, I also request somebody is interested in taking up waterproofing as a entrepreneurship, they can always reach Fosroc. Fosroc has a Fosroc Technical Training Academy where we train people, educate them how to use this product and help them in their business. Pardon? See, the best way to address corrosion is during the construction of the concrete. During the construction of concrete, if you use certain corrosion inhibitors as an admixture, you ensure there is a protective layer on the steel and reinforcement. That will help us. If there is corrosion already initiated, we can only delay the corrosion or slow down the rate of corrosion. For that, we have product called Nito Zinc rich primers which can be used it.